Shiba is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies right now, despite the price being where it is. And if you've been paying attention to the charts or videos on this channel, you already know this. Because of this, it's not surprising that our people making predictions about the cryptocurrency's future might entail, and the video that we're going to upload today will be diving deeper into this forecast. Disclaimer: Hello Shiba Army, and thank you for coming back to the channel. You are also welcome to the channel if this is your first time visiting. If you're looking for a place to find regular updates on Shiba Inu and even general crypto market, then you came to the right place. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss another video on this channel. With that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Before we get into price predictions, there's some good news that you will most likely want to hear. In fact, today began some good news for Shiba Inu, which is that the token is currently the most held token by top 1,000 largest Ethereum whales. This comes as a result of increase in whale accumulation that has taken place over the course of the past few months. It is interesting to note that Shiba has been dropped to the second position a couple times. The fact that more than 85% of investors on Coinbase held their inexpensive holdings for 12 straight days this month is something else that is pretty noteworthy, and it is unquestionably excellent news. This indicates that just 15% of investors were interested in selling. This must indicate that there is still some faith in the Shiba Inu token and maybe the entire ecosystem. Although this information comes from just one exchange platform, it would not be unreasonable to anticipate something similar from the other exchange platform as well. It's all well and good that whales are buying more SHIB and that current holders of the token are deciding to buy more, but something else that's just as good as the fact that current holders of the token are deciding to buy more is the fact that new people are deciding to buy SHIB is a really good idea. As of right now, there are more than 1.2 million SHIB holders, and this speaks to the fact that approximately 1,000 new people decide to buy SHIB or added to their crypto investment. An announcement was made by the official Shiba Inu channel through a Twitter video that basically indicates that participants in the Shiba Inu game will be able to exhibit their NFTs in 3D environment according to Planet Crypto. Shiba Inu has teamed with EXO Viewer for a 3D Shiboshi display. Hiboshi characters will be moving away from their 2D artwork and into 3D representations thanks to the EXO Viewer display, which enables NFT holders to interact with and show off their NFTs in a more dynamic manner. This will allow the characters to better engage with the audience. Earlier on July 13th, Shiba Inu announced that it will be supporting EXO Viewer. It is not entirely clear what Shiboshis are being referred to here. They could be referring to Shiboshis that already exist in Shiba Inu game, or they could be referring to the brand new Shiboshis NFTs. There's no way to know for certain until they are actually released, but the second possibility does not seem to have a higher likelihood. The video that was shared does not provide us with a lot of information on EXO Viewer, its work on the Shiba Inu game, or its partnership with Shiba Inu in general. In addition, no date was given for the release. All we know is that it is on the way, and when you think about it, soon could mean anytime at all. Despite the fact that the announcement video doesn't give us as much information about what EXO Viewer is, there is information about that somewhere, according to Planet Crypto. EXO Viewer is a 3D NFT display that was created by PlaySide Studios to develop the upcoming Shiba Inu game. It currently supports the Bean NFT project, which is based on the PlaySide's other highly successful dumb ways to dye a product. Users are need to input their wallet address before they can access these models. All fine. Now, let's get into the reason why we're all here. Specialists are looking at a variety of elements to assist decide the direction that the price of SHIB may be heading in, and one of the ones that they are looking at is the amount of fires that are occurring. Apparently, the Shiba Inu community has been successful in burning approximately 4.4 billion SHIB tokens over the course of time. The majority of these burns have taken place in the Shiba Inu platform. At present time, there are a number of different avenues through which the SHIB tokens can be burned. The Shiba platform is sort of like the only official means of burning SHIB. By official, I mean that it is the only platform that was introduced by Shiba Inu directly. SHIBASWAP 2.0 is another Shiba effort with the intention of assisting with Shiba. It would appear that SHIBASWAP 2.0 is intended to support a new burning mechanism that will assist SHIB holders in burning more SHIB. When the burns that the community can carry out via all these platforms are added to the many different individual and company burn efforts, the chances are that we can burn a lot more than 4.4 billion SHIB in even shorter amount of time. All we have to do is to put in the effort. However, burns are not the only indicator of the growth of the SHIB, more money token really rate. The history of the token is also an important indicator. In any case, after carefully considering all of these factors, different analysts have arrived at different conclusions. One investor thinks that the token is a great option if you're going for long-term investors. These investors also believe that the token could make a gain of 189.9% in just 1 year and that this gain will continue until 2027. Trading Beast thinks that the price of the token will increase in July of this year, but then it will decrease in December, and it will continue to decline until June of 2023, and then it will rise again in June 2023, and then it will become bullish in 2024. As for the price of digital coin, the consensus forecast is for Shiba Inu will be bearish between the years of 2023 and 2031. Earlier than it turns bullish. Now, with all of this talk of 2024 and even 2031, you're probably wondering why these experts expect the growth of SHIB to be slow. You are probably wondering why these experts expect the growth of SHIB to be slow. Well, I think they're arriving at this conclusion because they have not yet properly considered how much burns we're actually putting in. Not only are a lot of burns happening, but a lot more can happen with these new burns avenues, and really, these burns are very instrumental in pumping the price of token. And don't forget that SHIB has seen a crazy 31% increase in value this year despite the bearish market. You know that because of the way the price of the token has fluctuated this year, it's difficult to see how much it has actually grown. Only a careful analysis of the progress of the token can actually help us to see the going chorus sum up. Only a careful analysis of the progress of the token can actually help us to see the going chorus sum it up nice when it wrote that Shiba Inu has witnessed an annual gain of 31.5% as well as a monthly increase of 11% despite the present strong bear market for the third day in a row. Bullish signs have been seen in relation to the price of Shiba Inu. The negative thesis has been refuted, giving way to a new positive trend ever since the price of SHIB has increased. Therefore, it's safe to say that Shiba Inu has been doing rather well for itself up to this point, and we can anticipate that it will continue to perform as well or even better as the days and the months continue to pass. This brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoy it, please click the like button and leave a comment below. Doing so will help in the YouTube's ranking system. Additionally, if you can, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's get the word out. If you're a true Shiba Inu fan, you'll absolutely need to watch this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.